Shreya the actor, Shreya the daughter, Shreya this, Shreya that. But when I'm traveling, I'm just Shreya. There's no expectation. It's just me and the universe. I would be that person at Hamara Mumbai Film Festival, Mami,
Correct. You were that kid, na?
waiting in the lines and watching 5 films a day till my eyes are bleeding. Essentially, you get to meet people like yourself. हम वर्सोवा में कहीं कभी मिले
कभी नहीं मिलते
LA
हम.
में मिले हैं.
हाँ जी, correct.
Another person we've not been able to hang out in Mumbai, but यहाँ पे बड़ी झप्पियाँ मारी.
Shreya Pilgaonkar in Los Angeles. Hello.
Hello. We have the quintessential LA street right there, Sunset Boulevard, and here we are, Sucharita.
Now we are at Landmark Cinema, where the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles is going on, and Miss Pilgaonkar is serving on the jury. Hello, hello.
Hello.
तो मुझे बताओ भारी जनता को कि किस किस्म की जूरी पे हैं आप?
I'm on the jury of the short film category, and which is I think the best because you get to watch so many different films and so many different diverse topics on which the films have been made. So I think I'm super fortunate to be able to be exposed to that. बहुत मजा आ रहा है to watch.
कितने लोग हैं आपके साथ और जूरी पर?
There are 2 other people, and both of them also have like different experience, but I think I'm the only actor on the jury. Am I looking at you or am I looking here?
You can look at the
Okay.
anywhere you want. Look at the camera.
Okay, great. So yeah, it's been really nice, and I think honestly, I've always been a fan of festivals. I would be that person at Hamara Mumbai Film Festival, Mami,
Correct. You were that kid, na?
waiting in the lines and watching 5 films a day till my eyes are bleeding. Essentially. Because I think this is such an inspiring, energizing environment. This is where you're meeting people and across the board, behind the camera, in front of the camera, aspiring writers, and it's just amazing. I personally think everybody should at least once a year try and just go to these film festivals just to experience what it's like.
Have you juried on a film festival before?
At Mami.
Ah.
And actually, fun fact, 10 years ago, I had made a short documentary called Dress Wala, which was an official selection under the Mumbai Dimensions category. And last year, I happened to be in the jury of the same category.
Mazedar.
So it just feels nice. And here especially, in fact, the stories that you kind of get to see are, a lot of South Asian experiences and culture, but that are not just local, but have like a universal theme, universal appeal.
इफ्ला के चक्कर में आप लॉस एंजलिस में बहुत टाइम से है ना? कितने दिन हो गए आपको शहर में?
Sorry, you can... Don't mean to...
Stop you on your
Yes.
tracks. How many days have you been in LA now?
I've been here for a week because obviously I want to travel, I want to explore LA. I haven't really done that. I've been to America, but not much on the West Coast.
But traveling is also a big part of your life, no?
Big part
It's
of
a big
my life.
passion of Miss Pilgaonkar's.
It's essential.
Yeah.
I mean, as soon as I finish a project or something releases, I just want to leave. I want to leave Mumbai, go up कहीं पहाड़ों में जाके या sometimes you just leave the country. It's just nice.
What's your go-to place when you want to unwind? Easy
Landor.
place to get. Landor. Why?
That's my home away from home. But it's just peaceful. I feel like it's grounding for me to be there. Mountains ground me essentially. And
So sweet.
we're constantly associating ourselves with Shreya the actor, Shreya the daughter, Shreya this, Shreya that. But when I'm traveling, I'm just Shreya. There's no expectation. It's just me and the universe.
But when you're in Los Angeles, do you also get to meet people who work here,
Yes.
who are making films here, Hollywood representatives and all that stuff?
I mean, that's been the aim because, in fact, when I started my career post-Fan, the first film I did was a French film with Jean Dujardin, and I've also done a British series. So I think the aspiration has always been to establish
Diversify
myself
as much as possible.
globally, and you have so many good examples today before us. That's the IFLA Lounge, by the way. This is where you'll have all your people, incredible filmmakers, cocktail hour.
How lovely. Cocktail hour is what
Cocktail
I'm
hour.
most interested in.
And it's just nice to meet a lot of creative people at different stages of their career, but just that passion and that hunger is required. You have to touch base with this energy once in a while.
So you've been doing that in LA, you've been meeting
I've
people?
been doing that. I've been meeting a lot of people, especially a lot of writers, because I do think writing is where it all truly begins. And for me as an actor, when you want to make sure that you're doing versatile things, I make sure to meet the writers.
Now, you've also met a bunch of other people here at IFLA. There's so
Yeah.
many artists, directors, writers here from
Yeah,
India and also
yeah.
the diaspora community that
yeah.
lives here.
It's
So talk to me
amazing.
about what it's been like, but like being a part of this community these last couple of days.
We have Guneet here. I mean, she's like the champion
She
flag
really
bearer
is.
of sort of that cross pollination that's happening. Rajshri is here. And it's nice. Parvati is here. We have Christo Undercurrent. We have fantastic films here, by the way. We have Undercurrent. I'm watching Kill.
Yes.
Kill tonight. And Girls Will Be Girls.
Yes.
Ali and Richa have done phenomenally with that film. So that director, Shruti Talati, is
Shruti
also
Talati,
here.
yeah.
And it's amazing to just experience the diversity and the experience with which people are coming here. All of them have a story to tell. And that's amazing. So,
Why are film festivals important, Shreya? I know you just said that कि
Yeah.
मैं मामी भी चली जाती हूँ
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे भी आ गए
Yeah.
हैं और आप यहाँ पर मतलब you're here as jury but you're also here as somebody who's standing around and watching films.
absolutely. I am a student of cinema.
Yeah.
I genuinely do love films and I think there's so much to learn.
Yeah.
I've always had aspirations to also make films, to produce films, and I think this is a great time to sort of take control of the narrative, whatever you can.
Yeah.
So in that sense, I think it's just really freeing to be here, to meet people, and also you get a sense of what are the kind of stories that are really moving you. What are the stories maybe I want to do as an actor, or maybe the stories that I want to tell. So it's really nice, and also you meet so many people with different backgrounds, and everybody has a different journey. You know, it's not about aimless hustling here. You're actually very present. You're enjoying films. You know, you get to meet people like yourself. हम वर्सोवा में कहीं कभी मिले
कभी नहीं मिलते
LA
हम
में मिले हैं।
हाँ जी correct imagine यही life है
Yeah, so I really enjoy it, and see, not everyone may be passionate about watching a lot of films and film festivals, but I think it does something to me that I can't explain. It really opens my mind to the possibilities of what more I can explore as an actor.
Yeah.
What more is out there beyond what we're used to,
Yeah.
you know, back home. So this is Landmark Theatres, by the way. This is where we're watching most of the films. And I'm really excited because at the Egyptian tonight, we're watching Kill, and I haven't been to that theatre.
Oh
Egyptian,
nice.
yeah.
It's like a big one, no?
It's a big
Big
cinema.
theatre.
Yeah, it's a big
Very
theatre.
exciting.
And this is where we're watching a lot of films, and there are some really amazing panels I've attended.
Huh? Tell
Yes.
me about what IFLA has been making you attend.
This feels like a
Stop it! No. We're not invoking क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. No.
Yeah,
I refuse.
This is where everybody kind of hangs out before the screenings, and photo ops right there. They don't have cool popcorn flavors like we do.
Oh.
That
So that's a
kinda
cheese
stuff.
and
Like yeah, but this is
butter and
basic
cheese mix नहीं
popcorn
मिलता.
right now.
Caramel and cheese mix popcorn.
Yes, that's my favorite. So yeah, this is where it all sort of happens, and the panels I attended were really cool. One was South Asian success stories, which was really nice. We had Smriti Mundra judging the Pitch Fest.
Yeah.
And that was really cool because I got to watch emerging filmmakers and some sort of relatively established ones also pitch their stories, which
See, this is what we need. We need
Yeah.
we need to put together rooms where people can come together and pitch
Yeah.
stories and have discussions
Yeah.
and exchange
Yeah,
ideas,
yeah.
which I find so severely lacking at least in Mumbai. Like outside of Mami.
I mean, I'm sure it happens, but I don't think it happens sort of in a platform that's going to bother us. Shall
Yeah,
we
I know.
go
वो
away?
beep.
Perhaps it happens in spaces that are more closed and not open for more people to sort of understand and take notes, because there were a lot of insights that I also personally got in terms of how to pitch.
Acha, by being here.
By being here, because
Yeah.
I attended those sessions, and I think it's really nice when the judges are giving you feedback right there and then. So that was one panel that was really nice, and yeah, there were just several. Like there are people who are execs here, then you have talent managers, you have writers, and it can get overwhelming. I'll be honest, because there's just so many people. But it's nice, and it's not always just about networking. I think sometimes you just got to be present and have a good conversations
Yeah.
and just go to the next person. Yeah.
Now, you know, we have obviously the big names like Cannes and Berlin and
Yeah.
Sundance and
Yeah.
all that stuff. But why are smaller, more indie film festivals like IFLA also important, you think? कि Cannes में तो हमने बहुत मतलब
So I haven't been to Cannes actually.
Yeah.
But festivals like these are much more intimate, and I think
Yeah.
you sort of you're in direct contact with the programmers, the judges. It's not very intimidating, and I see Rajshri approaching right now.
yeah, look at her. Speaking of community and
Speaking of community, hello.
Speaking of community, we've run into Rajshri Deshpande.
Hi. Another person we've not been able to hang out in Mumbai, but यहाँ पे बड़ी झप्पियाँ
I swear, seriously.
राजश्री अभी आपका पैनल है ना, आप जा रहे हो ना, भाग रहे हो ना?
हाँ अभी मैं बस 10 मिनट जाके आ जाती
जाके आओ और फिर मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ यहीं पे बाहर.
हूँ. Yes.
No, but speaking of community, this is sort of the perfect example to show
And you know,
that.
I do believe that IFLA, we've had some incredible IFLA alumni actually. Ruchi Mehta, Megha Ramaswamy. So clearly the storytellers and writers that are being championed by IFLA have gone to do some incredible work.
Yeah.
And I do see a conscious effort to also champion women and female
Yes.
storytellers. And it's nice, and I've had, this is my first time honestly actually attending a film festival outside Mumbai,
I say.
and it's amazing, and I can totally imagine why this can become an annual thing. I mean, you're a veteran now.
It's addictive.
Yeah, for sure.
The festival air is addictive.
For
चलो
sure.
मेरे साथ. We will go to Cannes,
I would
Venice.
love to. I
सब
would
चलते
love
हैं,
to.
साथ में चलते
And
हैं.
it's also really nice because I didn't expect so many. There are a lot of people here who seem to have watched some of the work I've done. So
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, it was just so nice to sort of get their feedback and to know what are people watching, what
I
are
love that.
they sort of resonating with, and it's been really nice.
Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today. अभी हम चल के कॉफी पियेंगे.
Let's do it.
फिर आप जाके
कहाँ
अपनी
जाना है?
बाकी फिल्में देखिए. ठीक है जी.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye.